case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1989, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case Trans World Airlines Inc. v. Independent Federation of Flight Attendants, a dispute between the airline and its labor union over the replacement of striking employees with less senior colleagues or newly hired workers. The case's main issue was to determine if such a policy violated labor laws, as long as it allowed the company to maintain its operations. The conflict began in 1984 during negotiations for a new collective bargaining agreement, set to replace the expiring agreement, which included a bidding system favoring senior flight attendants in job assignments, flight schedules, and furloughs. The Supreme Court examined the rights of non-striking employees, the impact of super-seniority and permanent replacements on strikers, and the procedures for settling major disputes under the Railway Labor Act, which guided this case. Initially, the lower court ruled that TWA was not obligated to replace striking employees with those who had more seniority, though the Court of Appeals later reversed this ruling in part. Ultimately, the Supreme Court held that TWA was not required to dismiss junior crossovers to reinstate senior full-term strikers once the strike ended, thus affirming broader self-help options under the Railway Labor Act and limiting judicial intervention in such matters. The court overturned the Court of Appeals' decision, deeming TWA's crossover policy as lawful.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.